Hi, this is Jay here from Sonance and James Loudspeaker, live at the CEDIA show in Dallas, Texas. We're focused here on our new tool, the Sonance Design Gallery. This is our new interface to show you how we can communicate how music for the house can live in this space. This is an interactive web tool that can show you different ways how our technology will live in this space. And we're able to show clients the form factors of the finishes of our speakers and how they end up in the space. So as we transition through this room, people get an understanding of what the entertainment and what the lifestyle is of the space. We can also simulate the idea of how even balanced coverage works through interactive video tools that show people why a smart speaker is not ideal, why a pair of speakers is not ideal for music and entertaining spaces within the home. The other thing that we can do is we can get this thing to work correctly. We can go to our Design to Disappear page and we can show people the types of finishes and how those finishes will look in the space. For example, I can look at a wood ceiling and I can show people how a speaker grill would look in there that's unfinished and not really built into the design of the space. Hence you see a white grill, everything else looks beautiful, not very appealing to the client. The next thing we can show them is how the speaker is blended into the space by custom painting the speaker grill, and allows for further technology to be blended into the space. My favorite is showing our small aperture technology from James Loudspeaker and how that's integrated actually into the wood with speaker grills and openings that are matched to the size and shape of the lighting fixtures. So we can go back and look at all types of finishes. My other favorite one that I like to point out is drywall. We can see that speakers are visible in this space that obviously has a very high design to it. We can show people how a speaker grill in our small aperture series looks with a lighting fixture at the same size and shape with our matching speaker grill. The other thing we can do is we can highlight where an invisible speaker would be inside of this space with our stencil overlays showing placement of an invisible speaker, but obviously hiding the speaker completely. So this is our tool called the Sonance Design Gallery. It's live, sonancedesigngallery.com. Download it. It's available to all of our customers here at CEDIA in Dallas. Thank you.